Ojas Kasbekar, and this is the second homework of our course, Design and Analysis of Reconfigurable Systems. I'm doing this project alongside my lab partner, Varun Kuchirotla. The project entails creating a 4-bit counter and displaying the bits on the FPGA board using the 4 flashing LEDs. The way we do this is we first write our Verilog code, then we make sure that it is in accordance with the Synopsys design constraint file. We then make sure that we plan and select the appropriate pins. Once the pin planning is complete, we flash the code using the programmer here. We first have to create a .jic file, which was already created from the SOS file that was generated when we first flashed the code onto the FPGA. This process takes some time. Hence, here we have sped up the process. Also, this is how the board looks as it is being flashed with the code. This process is a bit lengthy, so let's wait and see how the FPGA board behaves. So now, after the compilation is successful, we shall now get to see how the FPGA board first counts up and counts down. We have to first switch off the FPGA, then switch it back on. Now we can see that the FPGA board counts down by default, since the direction is set to 0 by default in the Verilog code. It is now, as we can see, it's counting down from the largest 4-bit binary number, which is 16 in decimal. After this is done, we can reverse the direction now. Now that the direction switch is high, we can see that it starts counting up. Finally, if we hit the reset button, the FPGA starts counting up and it starts counting from 0. And this concludes the first part of our homework. We shall repeat the same process in the next one, but with a 10-bit counter. See you next time.